Hello everyone, I am Pragya Yadav reporting live from Oil and Gas Annual Conclave, and right now I am joined in by Mr. Biju from Bharat Petroleum. Hello sir, how are
Hi.
you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So sir, you just gave an amazing panel discussion right there. How was your experience so far here at the summit?
Uh, it had been fantastic. I think, as I told in the beginning, a lot of optimism in the beginning, right from that oil is going to here to stay from Mr. Surana, and the kind of discussions we had, the core issues which came to the fore when the panel discussions were there. I think that was important in terms of the regulatory authority and in terms of the execution. I think we have a lot of challenges which needs to be corrected in the if we
Right.
have to grow from the current 50% which I told, which we are transporting through pipelines, which is the most efficient mode of transportation. If we have to take it to 75%, I think a lot of corrections, course corrections, has to be done in terms of regulatory things and in terms of the way my other co-panelists told in terms of the number of contractors, the good contractors we require for execution. So both from our perspective, that area we need to look at, and from the regulatory perspective, there are as I told, there were almost 800 NOCs which we need to take from. So that processes needs to be smoothened, I think. And there are a lot of work which is happening. Yes, in terms of PM Gati Shakti, which I mentioned in my panel discussions, it's a portal wherein all the multimodal transport networks are getting integrated. I think that will be a good platform to start with if we need to take this NOCs in a faster manner. I think we need to leverage that
Right.
and look at other opportunities. How do we that common things which are there between the OSD, the
Right.
PNGRB, and the PESO? I think that needs to be removed. All those
Right, sir.
redundancies.
And right there, we talked a lot about pipelines and the developments and everything about that. So, what would be your key takeaway that you are taking back from this particular panel?
I think hydrogen is one thing which all need to look at. I think in terms of your that's going to be the future.
Right.
And if you see a pipeline, I think it should be used for the maximum number of products.
Right.
And so, how do we look at that? I think because we cannot keep constructing infrastructure for different kinds of products. So,
Right.
so how do we optimize that one pipeline to carry different products? I think that's what we need to. That's one key takeaway from here in terms of infrastructure.
Very well said, sir. So, lastly, I really wanted to know your views on this particular initiative taken by Economic Times Energy World.
I think it's a great initiative. I think good to see a lot of oil and gas guys here, and the sessions. I think right from yesterday, it was a really good step forward, and I'm sure this is going to grow in the times to come.
So thank you so much for your valuable insights.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more updates.